We're back. Battery ran out of power, so we were a little delayed here. 1 hour delay, battery problems. Went to Aunt Marie's house to care Sherry Cat.
Like half-hour delay.
Okay, half-hour delay, probably a little more. Okay, so now we are off to Mount Charleston. Bye.
Mount Charleston. Okay, that's Mount Charleston with the snow on top.
See that? Mount Charleston in the
We're
background
gonna be
there.
on there in an hour.
We're heading up that way. We're live. We're in Las Vegas. We'll see you in about 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay.
Later.
Bye. Here is a better view of the mountain.
Okay, Mount Charleston again. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, Mount Charleston. We're heading up that
See
way.
the snow?
Right now we're about 2,000 feet above sea level. When we get up there, we'll be 12,000 feet. That's 12. 1, 2. Above sea level. You can also see Vegas, the city there.
Oh yeah.
Not lit up because it's daytime. Use a little common sense, people. Alright. Anyway, that's Mount Charleston. We're live.
I'm gonna say something.
We're in Vegas. See you later. Okay, this is downtown Las Vegas. This is the older part, not the best area. We usually don't go down here too much. Should we head to LA?
Yeah, LA sounds good.
LA. Off to LA. Actually, we're off to Mount Charleston still.
Alright, I'm shutting it off. Okay, we're getting closer.
Okay, probably 20 minutes or so. You're looking at a portion or somewhat of the authenticity of the you're looking at somewhat a portion of Mount Charleston. We're heading up there. We should be there in 20 minutes or so. See that sign? Then of an animal.
I missed
You could see donkeys or billy goats and stuff like that. Okay, probably about another 12 minutes or so. Should be up there. Where there is snow on the ground over here to my left.
Yep.
Snow-covered mountains. We're heading up to Mount Charleston. Be there soon.
Got it. Oh, my log cabin. Check out the snow. Look at this.
Wow, this place is
Crowded. I'll never get out of here.
Wow. This place is crowded. Usually come.
Look at that.
See
The horse
that?
is pulling a sled.
Old culture. We saw snow first. Ha ha. Look at that old culture. It was
Oh,
wave to us.
cool.
Nice mountains. You can see. Old culture. This is the lodge over here to your right. It's where you can eat. Have all different types of snacks and treats. We're gonna take
I want to go on the horse sled.
all kids down here playing. We're gonna take a ride a little further up the mountain. Look for a place called Foxtail. Those houses in the mountains there. Mount Charleston, 1997.
These log cabins.
See that?
Everyone's
Having a lot of fun.
in truck. Let me get these fans in front of me.
Everybody's having fun up here. Dog. Throat's getting a little clogged up or something.
Where people go.
Okay, it's Serena. We're up at Lee Canyon. It's snow. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to climb that little mountain here and see what's over the top. Hold on. Okay. All snow, culture. I'm wobbly a little bit because I got a good balance shot. Serena. I hear voices down there. There's people down there. Who's that Bigfoot? That's Bigfoot, see him? I don't know if you can see it or not, but I see Bigfoot. See? I have a sighting of Bigfoot on here. Bigfoot. Abominable snowman. Abominable snowman right there. See? Oh, a little shaky. Abominable snowman. He disappeared behind a shack here. A little closer you can see the top of his head. Walking in an ape-like walk. A giant boulder in his hand. Definitely abominable snowman. Okay, we're in the woods now. We just hiked about 2 hours into the woods. Actually, I lied. We walked about a minute into the woods. Serena. Snow. I'm gonna shut this off for a minute. Okay, still climbing Mount Charleston. If you look close enough, you can see some people skiing. See? Somebody's wiped out and fell.
Oh, you see that?
I see it, but I don't know if I caught it really good. Skiing. There's some guy going pretty quick. Okay. Okay. A little further up the mountain. There's a ski lift there, see that? Alrighty. Okay, we're back from Mount Charleston. You can probably see what Mount Charleston did to us. Wiped us out a little bit. Our ride up there, our ride back. My tires are out a little bit. Besides that, I played in the snow a little bit. I don't know. Half hour here, half hour there. A lot of driving. Driving wore us out. So we're both gonna take a little nap. And after that, get up and figure out what we eat for dinner. I guess I'll end this off. And I'll take some more video probably on New Year's Eve or something like that. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Good night.